Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your iPhone as another camera source in OBS. Let's jump in. So in order to do this, we need to use something called Video Ninja. So in your web browser, you just want to go to video.ninja and it'll take you to a page like this. You don't need to download anything. It's all online, but this is the tool that'll get this to work, okay? So what we want to do is we just want to start with going to create a room. You just want to enter a room name and a password. So I'm just going to call this Howfinity. And then you have an option to create a password. I'm just going to make something simple here. So we'll just call this HF. And this really comes into play if you're having other people using this, which is honestly the nice thing about this is you could use different people's phones to stream into one room rather than having to have everybody on Zoom or something like that. And now you just want to go to this link with your phone. Now you can manually type that in one letter at a time, or you could email it to you or text it to yourself or something like that. And once you enter that in your phone, then it's going to come up. It's going to ask you for the password. Click OK. We're going to join room with camera. And sometimes it takes a few seconds for the camera to load. And then we're going to go back onto our computer, open up OBS. You want to add a source here, browser. And then we want to paste the capture group scene. And then here we just want to copy the link, capture a group scene. So copy that link, back over to OBS. We'll call this Video Ninja, just so we don't get them confused. Click OK. And then we just want to paste the URL in here, just like that. And you go OK. Then it's going to pop up asking you to allow access. Say allow. And there we go. Now we have our face coming up there. And you can see the audio source and the camera. You can select if it's the front camera or the back camera. And then when you're ready, just hit start. And then as you can see, now my video is on the screen in OBS. Now I could turn it to the side to give a more traditional view. I can resize it, do all the things that I need to do on the screen. And likewise, you can be able to add other people if you have another host that's on the channel with you, or you could just use this as a second camera. Maybe you just want to do some aerial views of what's on your desk here. I got a little, my remote that I want to show. So you could do something like this where it's a picture in picture, or if we want to see plenty of me, and you can see it just kind of adjusts as we go. So now we have both cameras on the screen at the same time. So you've really got a pretty nice quality on the video, and the colors look good, and you have a really great camera built into your phone, so why not use it this way? And there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.